Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the Thai business visa. We're also discussing Thai work permits. And the question often posed is, do I have to have a Thai business visa in order to get a work permit? Let's be clear. There's a difference between work authorization and a work permit per se. At one time, there was no difference. There's been a few overhauls, things like the SMART visa, and now we're looking at the possibility of so-called long-term residence visas, which we have not fully seen the regulations roll out on those. So I'm going to leave the LTR out for now. But for example, the SMART visa, it has work authorization built in, okay? So understand that when you have the work authorization built in, it's a very different scheme from the standard business visa, the standard work permit scheme. So we'll sort of set that aside. The SMART visa sort of is what it is, off on its own. Another thing to bear in mind, those who work for representative offices here in Thailand, you may not need a work permit. We've discussed this in other videos. Folks who head rep offices here in Thailand may not need work authorization. Well, they may have work authorization sort of, again, built into their role as the head of a rep office here in Thailand. Again, setting that aside, that's kind of an anomaly. Along mainline business visas and work permits, long story short is, yeah, in most cases, you're going to need a business visa to act as a platform for work authorization in the form of a work permit here in Thailand. Now, the thing to keep in mind with respect to this is there is the other option. Some folks may be in Thailand on an O marriage visa, and they may be able to get a work permit on an O marriage visa, not any other type of O visa, not an O retirement visa, nothing like even certain kinds of O visas like for in the past for owning condos in Thailand and things. No. Just an O marriage visa. It may be possible for one who is on an O marriage visa to get a work permit. That also can act as a platform. But if you're not married to a Thai and you're looking to get a standard Thai work permit, then the Thai business visa, yeah, that's going to be the requirement. It's basically going to be your platform, if you will, your travel document platform. You need that B visa in order to be able to apply and obtain a work permit here in the Kingdom of Thailand.